and welcome to today's video. So today I am unboxing a Glossy box, mystery box. So they had on sale some of their previous special limited edition boxes for only £10. So I thought, why not take the risk and purchase one? I thought I'd get this unboxed, have a look at all the items in here, have a little look at the RRP and see whether the box was worth it or not. So just opening up the outer packaging, this is what the box looks like. So very pretty. I like these green and kind of peachy tones together. So let's have a little look and see what we've got in here. There it is, all nicely wrapped up. So by the looks of it, this is one of their generation Glossy boxes. There is this booklet here, which I think is probably going to have a few spoilers of all of the products in here, but I want to have a little look first of all and just see exactly what I've got. Well, just on first glance at the box, I can see that this is absolutely jam-packed full of products, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get good value for my £10. So the first item in here is this highlighter from e.l.f. So this is their metallic flare highlighter in the shade White Gold. And I do have like a little mini e.l.f. highlighter palette that I really love, but I haven't ever had any of the standalone highlighters from them. This is all cruelty free and vegan, which is excellent, and this highlighter actually retails for £6, which I think is pretty good value because it does look like decent sized highlighter. So yeah, it is a really good size, and that is a really pretty highlight shade, definitely a shade that I would use. So I'm really pleased to see this in the box. So I'm gonna have a little look and see what else I've got in here. So the second item in this mystery generation Glossy box is this So Vanilla body mist, and this looks like a really good size. I think this is a full size item. Let's give it a little spritz. Yeah, that smells really lovely. Nice sweet vanilla scent. So just having a little look in the booklet here. Yes, so this is a full size product. This actually retails for £3.99, which is actually a really good price anyway. And it says, with each spritz of the So Vanilla body mist, be prepared to be swept away by dreamy notes of sweet vanilla. Containing over 600 sprays, this body mist is designed to be refreshed throughout the day and keeping you smelling lovely. So I think I used to use the like So body sprays, like the aerosol ones when I was a lot younger, but I haven't ever tried out the body mists. The fragrance is very nice, so I'll definitely get some use out of this. And yeah, just something a little bit different than I've normally seen in Glossy boxes. And then this is the next product in this Glossy box, mystery box, and it is this Carmex Moisture Plus Hydrating Lip Tint, and this is in their Nearly Nude Sheer Tint. So it says that this is packed with a powerful mix of natural ingredients that smooth, plump and hydrate with a hint of colour. Swipe once for sheer, layer for colour. We know you'll want more. I have used Carmex lip products. I've never used their Moisture Plus lip tints, but I've used like the little, almost like small little tubs of lip product before, and I've always really enjoyed them. So this again is another full-size product. This retails for £4.95. This is a really good handbag essential, especially, you know, where it's a bit cold and wintry and you want your lips to be nice and hydrated. I think this is a really great product, and the fact that it's got the lip tint all in one I think is really excellent as well. So just reaching in for item number 4, and it is this Dots for Spots, and you get 24 dots in here, and they are designed to absorb impurities from your spots. They are ultra thin and translucent, promote faster healing and act as a protective cover. It says you just peel off, stick them on your spots, and for best results, wear for 6+ hours or leave overnight. I don't really ever get spots, or I'll very rarely get like one spot that will go after a couple of days, but I'll definitely keep a hold of these for next time I do have a spot, because it'll be really interesting to give it a go and see whether it works. This is actually another full-size product, and these Dots for Spots RRP for £5.99. So maybe if you do suffer from spots and these work for you, that would be quite a good price. I think for me, they're probably going to last a really, really long time. So the next product in this Glossy box is actually something I've never tried before, and it is these new thing wax strips. So these are their green shimmer hair removal wax strips in black cherry and kiwi scent. So as you can see as well, they're vegan friendly. So these are suitable for your legs, arms and underarms. It says here they create amazing long-lasting hair-free results with their fruity, fresh, glittery wax strips enriched with real fruit goodness and natural vitamin E, and are suitable for sensitive skin. It says here that you get 20 wax strips and 4 post-wax wipes. So I've never tried waxing. I normally just like shave my legs and my underarms. So for me, this is something very new. This is another full-size product, believe it or not. And these wax strips actually retail for £6.99. So I've never bought wax strips before or waxing products, so I really can't tell you whether that is a good price or not. But the fact that they're glittery and they're vegan and they're an interesting fragrance, then maybe that is a good price. So this is the next thing that's in the Glossy box, and it is just this little sample of the Ariana Grande perfume. So looks like this, very, very cute. I'm not going to open this up just now because I'll probably spill it everywhere, and I want to save it for when I'm gonna like go out. Definitely really excited to give this a go and check this one out. It says here actually that this sample size is worth £1.35 and the full size 50ml perfume is £35, which I think actually is a pretty reasonable price for a perfume, especially considering this one is like a celebrity perfume, so you almost feel like they'd charge a bit extra because it's got their name on it. But yeah, really, really excited to try out this Ariana Grande perfume. So the next thing in my Glossy box is, I know for a fact, something that I'm not going to use. So someone probably watching this is going to get this re-gifted to them, but it is this self-tanning tinted mousse from Bella Mianta. This is a face and body rapid tanning mousse. So I think I've mentioned in like all of these videos before where I've received some sort of tanning item is that I don't tan. I'm not bothered about tanning. I'm just going to embrace my paleness because looking tan to me is not something that I'm particularly bothered about. But it says here this has got odor neutralizing technology. I'm guessing you can use it for your whole body and your face. It tells you as well how long to leave it on for to determine whether you want a light, a medium or a dark tan. I mean, maybe they all say that, I don't know, because it's not something I ever would have purchased before. This is their Deluxe Mini 50ml sample and is worth £6.50 with the full size 150ml tube retailing for £19.99. This will definitely be going to someone who definitely wants it because nothing's going to go to waste. And then this is the next thing in here. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Brown Eyed Girl eyeshadow palette, and I don't think I've ever received an eyeshadow palette in one of these boxes before, so let's get this open and see what it looks like. Also, it's got a mirror in it, which is good, and that is the shades in this palette. They look absolutely gorgeous. That one there looks stunning, and I bet you could create some really gorgeous brown smoky looks with this palette. This eyeshadow palette actually retails for £28.99, so wow, I think that's quite on the expensive side for a 4-shade eyeshadow palette, considering I have no experience of the brand. I don't really know what their formulas are like. I don't know anything about them. If I was paying that much for a palette personally, I'd want a few more shades, or it would be a brand that I was kind of more au fait with and would be willing to pay that much for such a small palette. But having said that, I think this is a really great thing to receive in the Glossy box. Yeah, really, really excited to try this palette out. So there is just 3 items left. So you actually get 10 items and the extra little sample of perfume, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So the next thing is these Eyeliner 3/4 length lashes, and these are number 2, light and wispy, and there's just a little picture on the back there of the before and after, and it's saying here that you don't need to trim them, I guess because they're 3/4 lengths, and it says here that they are latex free, they are vegan, they are reusable up to 5 wears, and you also get the glue included, which you can see just there. And these RRP for £5.95, which I think is pretty good value for lashes really. And then just moving on to the next product in this Glossy Box mystery box, it kind of goes with the previous item, and it is this Eyeliner Line and Lash Black 2-in-1 Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. So it says that you can use with any false lash, it's smooth application, all day wear and secure hold. So you just apply the line and lash eyeliner to the lash line and apply the false lash. So this looks really interesting. It says here that it's like a felt tip pen liner as well, which is always my go-to type of eyeliner for if I use a liquid liner. I reckon I will give this a go with those lashes over just using the glue, because this to me seems like a bit more interesting and more sort of thing that I could do. So this is another full-size product, so wow, and this retails for £9.95. And then this little pot here is the final and 10th item in my Glossy Box mystery box, and this is the Mercy Handy Moisturising Facial Jelly, and this is the aloe vera and hemp jelly. So it's in this little glass pot. Smells just like aloe vera, it just smells a bit like after sun, to be honest, if you've ever used that after getting sunburnt. And it says here, this moisturising facial jelly's magical texture is more delicate than a rainbow. It moisturises deeply, taking care of your skin on a daily basis. Featuring sacred plants, aloe vera and hemp, this jelly is ideal for all skin types. I haven't ever heard of this brand, and I don't think I've ever used a facial jelly, so I'll be really interested to see how I get on with this one. This is a deluxe mini, it's 15ml and it's actually worth £8, with the full size 50ml tub of this retailing for £20. So quite a pricey little item, I think, for something that does just smell a bit like after sun. And I don't know whether this will be like a bit too greasy on my skin or whether it will just kind of instantly melt in. I will have to give it a go when I obviously haven't got any makeup on, but yeah, really cool little product to try out that otherwise I probably would have never come across. So I'll be really interested to see, yeah, how it goes. So that was everything in my Glossy Box mystery box. So I paid £10 for this box on offer. So having a little add up of the value of all of the products in here, there's almost £90 worth of products in this box. So I feel for the £10 that I paid, I have got absolutely amazing value for money. There's loads of products in here that I'm really excited to try, and there's some brands here that I've tried before and are really familiar with, along with some brands that I've never tried before and I'm really excited to give them a go. Let me know whether you picked up this Generation Glossy Box, whether you picked up anything from them in the sale, or if you've tried out any of these items before, what you thought. I'd really love to know. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.